So we moved the cover, move the inner cover.
Just,
Okay. Okay, we moved that.
Remove this part. You move this way taller when you put it up, and that's how I broke the light. The first.
Okay, so this cover needs to be removed. Take out all the clips. Remove it carefully. Without removing this top panel, you cannot clean the glass. You need to be able to remove the broken glass.
Cut out. Better than a taco.
Huh?
give it to you for free? No, right?
I mean, I was gonna get together. I was gonna do it as a project on the weekend. My friend and I go, okay, let's get together and let's try to do it ourselves.
The windshield?
Yeah, this thing.
No, it's car part.
Be careful with the glass line in your eyes.
I know. That's why.
Test the glass without the glue to make sure it's a good fit. Perfect.
It looks just like new.
So trim the old glue down to a thin layer, right?
Yeah, make sure have no top, no.
Yeah. So trim the old glue down to a thin layer. You see how it takes? Very he likes it done correctly. Nice. So apply glue all around the edges. Follow the old glue line. Perfect.
Even
Adjust the glass to make it even. Press the glass to bond with the glue. And then now put back the cover on the top. Okay.
You can put it in.
Bravo.
Yeah. Yeah, right?
Yeah. Mostly in this country.
Yeah. I'll be surprised I get a message to tell me how do you put the cover back.
They just need manuals here to tell them how to do all the whole process and follow instructions.
Yep. So put back the cover. Oh, it's a clip-on. Okay. I just need to show a little bit. That's it.